A big problem that traders face, especially online, is the fact that there is an abundance of information. And so when you're starting out, you watch all these different videos that get you on the path, then confuse you later. And so what I've been hearing from you guys is that you are looking for a place where you can access videos or even courses that are arranged in order from step 1 to the last step. That way, even if you are a beginner, you don't have to watch all these different videos. You can go and do that on one specific spot. For example, if you look at my YouTube channel, I have over 400 videos, over 490 videos. And when you're a beginner, this can be very frustrating because where do you begin? Where do you begin? And so that is why I want to show you this cool platform that we are in right now. So it's called School. It's called School. And I am telling you, if you are not on School, you are missing out on this great platform. So once you join the School community, I just want to show you what exactly is in the community and how to navigate it. So first things first is this community tab here. And this is where we all communicate with each other. And you are free to post your thoughts, your comments, your ideas, and then, other people will comment on that so that you help each other out. So that is the community area where we post the videos, we post the signals, we post the newsletters. We also let you guys chat up here. Then we go to the classroom. Now, in the classroom section, we have this step 1 here, and this explains how school community works, the rules of the community, what is expected of you. Then we have the paid program, so that is if you want to fast track your trading. And then we have this free beginner course. Now, think about it. If you have been struggling to actually get quality content that is aligned with you and your trading style, then you have everything here. So you have the full masterclass that explains the strategy that I use from step 1 to step 0. And then we have now the broken down sections. So if you're a beginner, TradingView tutorial will help you understand the platform. Then we have now the weekly cycles, the levels, and then we have the entries. This makes sure that you understand the strategy 100%. And then we also have these recorded classes. So in my premium community, we do have one-on-one classes. And I do understand sometimes it can be hard when you can't afford a mentor. And so what I've done is I have recorded some of those classes and I have posted them here. However, for you to access these classes, you need to be active in the community. You need to post content that is helpful to other traders and also help out other traders who are struggling and they have posted their challenges. This is the only way you will access these two videos, and that brings us to the leaderboards. Now, if you look at the leaderboards, you will have, when you reach level 4, you unlock recorded classes. And then when you reach level 8, you access backtesting. Now, you also have all these different perks once you start upgrading your levels and your membership. And the only way you do this is just by being helpful and productive. Now, let's go to the calendar and see some of the events that are happening. Now, we do have live trading sessions every single day, Monday to Friday. And you can access it for free in this free community. So all you do is, and this one is in the New York session. So all you do is just come to the live trading session, click it and join. And you can ask your questions about the strategy. You can see how we are applying it. and you also get the perks of joining us and taking trades together with us. And you can also see we have one-on-one classes, but this one is for the premium community. Now, if you also look at Saturday, we have Q&A sessions. And with these Q&A sessions, it's an opportunity for you to come and actually ask questions about the strategy. So if you have been testing it in the market and there are some aspects that you don't understand, this is a no-brainer opportunity for you to ask questions. Now, basically, what we are doing here in this community is making sure that you get the help that you need in the easiest way possible. Again, another issue with YouTube videos is if you comment and it's a question, sometimes your questions don't get answered. However, here on this community, we have this area where you can text me, and we also have Braden, who is also the admin here and will help you in anything that you need concerning school. So this is the best place to be if you are looking to fast track your forex trading journey. If you are in the school community, this is how you get the most of this community. And if you have not joined us yet, join us and message me, and I will personally reply to your message to make sure that you get the help that you need. And so basically, to summarize everything, join the community, write your posts, ask your questions, then go to the classrooms and then go through the courses to actually start scaling your trading. Then join us on our live trading sessions and the Q&A sessions to actually clarify and fix some of the holes that are in your strategy. And then level up because soon you will be getting crazy perks. You will be getting crazy perks as you are leveling up. And so I invite all of you to join us in school, and let's do this. Let's do this. I am looking forward to working with you. See you on the inside. Peace out.